Hello students, myself Assistant Professor Amit Singh, and today I am going to teach you a very interesting topic, that is pointer in C. In this course you will learn how to access a variable address during runtime, what is pointer and its advantages, declaring an initialization of pointer, and accessing variable content using pointers. So coming to pointer definition, what is pointer? Pointers are special type of variable that are used to store address of another variable. They contain the direct address of memory location of variable whom they are pointing. They can be used to point variable of any data type, that is built-in and user-defined data types. So in this definition I have used the word special. हमने यहाँ पॉइंटर्स को एक स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ वेरिएबल कहा है. अब क्यों कहा है? जैसे देखिए एक नॉर्मल वेरिएबल, एक नॉर्मल इंटीजर है. अब जो नॉर्मल इंटीजर है से इंट ए विल स्टोर अ वैल्यू 10, 20, 30. एक फ्लोट है बी विल स्टोर 1.6, 2.6, 3.6, एक फ्लोटिंग टाइप ऑफ वैल्यू स्टोर करेगा. बट पॉइंटर एक ऐसा वेरिएबल है जो कि दूसरे वेरिएबल का एक एड्रेस सेव करेगा. दैट इज वाई मैंने यहाँ पर डेफिनेशन में कहा है कि पॉइंटर इज अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ वेरिएबल. ओके, pointer is a variable that stores the address of another variable. Accessing address of variable. In C language, whenever we declare a variable, a memory location is assigned to variable during runtime of program, and value of variable is stored in that memory location. Okay, let's see the example. In this example, I have declared an integer type of variable var and assign a value 45 to it. So whenever this code comes in scope during runtime, a memory address in RAM is assigned to this variable var. This is a memory address which is assigned to this variable var, and a value 45 will be stored in that memory location. Okay. Now in order to obtain memory address of variable, we use ampersand operator. Now whenever this variable comes in scope during runtime of program, a memory will be assigned to this variable. Now if we want to obtain this address, we have to use ampersand operator. Okay, let's check the example. See, in this example I have declared a variable var and assign a value 45 to it. Now if we want to access, or if we want to print the address of this variable, I have to use printf %p ampersand var, and the output of this program is 0x7ff, and this output is memory address of this variable var. Here in printf statement we print the address of variable var by using ampersand operator. One thing more, for printing the address of variable we have to use %p as format specifier. Okay, and ampersand operator is used to print the address of the variable. Declaring a pointer variable. Like other variables, pointers also need to be declared before using in the program. Okay, जैसे अगर मैंने एक इंटीजर यूज करना है अपने प्रोग्राम में, आई हैव टू डिक्लेयर एन इंटीजर ए और इंटीजर बी, इंटीजर सी. ठीक है ना. इसी तरह अगर मैंने अपने प्रोग्राम में एक पॉइंटर यूज करना है तो मुझे पॉइंटर को भी डिक्लेयर करना पड़ना है. Declaration of a pointer inform compiler that pointer variable with a given name is declared, which is going to point a variable of that type mentioned in the declaration. Okay, and this is the general format for declaring a pointer variable. Type asterisk pointer name. Here type is a pointer base type. It is a data type of variable that pointer point to. Means type is the data type of the variable to whom pointer will point, or whose address pointer is going to store. Okay, pointer name is the name of pointer, and asterisk is used to tell the compiler that this variable is not a normal variable, it is a pointer variable. For example, here int star ptr, Here I have declared a pointer whose name is ptr, and it will be used to store the address of an integer type of variable, okay, or it will point to an integer type of variable like this float star p. Here p is pointer name, and this pointer will store the address of an float type of variable, okay. Initialization of a pointer. So what is initialization? Initialization is a method of assigning a value to the variable during its declaration. So in case of pointer initialization, assigning a value to the pointer at the time of its declaration is called pointer initialization. Pointer initialization assign a memory address of a variable as value to the pointer, okay. For example, int start ptr. Here I am declaring a pointer ptr, and at a time of declaration I am assigning a address of a to this pointer ptr. So this whole statement is pointer initialization, okay, because in this statement I am assigning a address to the pointer during its declaration, Next topic is assigning address of variable to the pointer, okay. Since pointer is used to store the address of other variable, therefore the address of the variable is required at a time of assignment, and the address of variable to be assigned to a pointer can be obtained using ampersand operator. For example, here in this example I have taken a variable var and a pointer ptr of integer type. यहाँ पे एक चीज़ आपने गौर करनी है कि पॉइंटर ने जिस वेरिएबल का एड्रेस सेव करना है, उस वेरिएबल और जो पॉइंटर है दोनों की टाइप क्या होनी चाहिए, सेम होनी चाहिए, बोथ मस्ट बी सेम, ओके. नाउ आई एम असाइनिंग अ वैल्यू 10 टू दिस वेरिएबल, and I am assigning the address of this variable to the pointer. Now in first printf statement I am simply printing the value of variable. In second printf statement I am printing the address of this variable by using ampersand operator, okay, and in third printf statement I am printing the address of this variable by using pointer. In second statement I am using variable to print the address of a variable, and in third printf statement I am using pointer to print the address of this variable. And see, in output both of these statement, second printf statement and third printf statement, both of these statement are giving same output, okay. So let's check the explanation of this program. Here in this program we declare a variable var and pointer ptr. We have declared a variable var and pointer ptr. Variable var is assigned a value 10. Variable var is assigned a value 10, and its address is stored in pointer ptr, and its address, this one, its address is stored in pointer ptr, okay. We use %p as format specifier for printing the address. See, in this printf statement also and in this printf statement also I am using %p as a format specifier for printing the address, okay. %p is used as a format specifier for printing the address, okay. When we print the address of variable var by using ampersand var and pointer ptr, this one, I am printing the address of variable var by using ampersand var, and I am printing the address of variable by using pointer, okay. Both give same value in output. Let's say this printf statement and this printf statement both give same value in the output, which shows that pointer stores the address of variable var. ठीक है, इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि जो पॉइंटर था उसने इस वेरिएबल की जो एड्रेस था वो सेव किया था। दैट इज वाई बोथ ऑफ दिस printf स्टेटमेंट आर गिविंग मी द सेम आउटपुट, क्योंकि ये भी इस वेरिएबल का एड्रेस है और ये क्या, ये पॉइंटर की वैल्यू है। तो इसका मतलब जो पॉइंटर है उसने इस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू को स्टोर किया है, तभी इन दो printfs का जो स्टेटमेंट का जो आउटपुट क्या आया, सेम आया ना। ओके, see in this diagram also, this is a pointer and this is the memory location which is assigned to the pointer. This is the variable and this is the memory location which is assigned to the this variable. See, the pointer is storing the memory location of this variable 070x7ff9a68204, and the pointer is storing this value. Okay. Now, assessing a variable through pointer, assessing a value of variable through pointer. Till now we have learned that pointer can be used to store the address of variable, okay, and we can print the address of variable using pointer. Now, pointer can also be used to assess the value of variable whom it is pointing. That is achieved through dereference operator, and the syntax for this is star ptr name. मीन्स हम पॉइंटर से ना केवल किसी वेरिएबल का एड्रेस ले सकते हैं, या फिर हम पॉइंटर में ना किसी वेरिएबल का जो एड्रेस है वो हम उसमें स्टोर कर सकते हैं, बल्कि पॉइंटर के जरिए हम उस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू को भी प्रिंट या एसेस कर सकते हैं। वी कैन यूज पॉइंटर टू एसेस द वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल to whom pointer is pointing. Okay, let's take example. See, in this example I have taken a variable var and pointer ptr, and I am assigning a value 10 to this variable, means the 10 will be stored in this variable. Now I am assigning the address of this variable to this pointer. Okay, now in first printf statement I am printing the value of this variable, and in second printf statement I am printing the value of this variable by using pointer. Okay, and for this purpose I have used dereference operator. Since I am printing the value of variable, not the address, that is why I am using %d, because %d format specifier is used to print the value. Okay, that's why I have used %d. Now let's see the output. In this output, the output is the value of var is 10 and the value of var using pointer is 10. Both output are same. Here in this program we declare a variable var and pointer ptr. Okay, variable var is assigned value 10, this one, and its address is stored in pointer ptr, this one. When we print the value of variable var by using variable var and pointer ptr, this one and this one, both give same output, this and this, which show that by using dereference operator with pointer we can extract the value stored at memory location pointed by the pointer. यही समझ कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं, by using dereference operator with pointer name I can assess the value of the variable to whom pointer is pointing. Okay, now coming to the applications of pointer. Pointer are used for direct memory access. In previous example also I see that by using pointer we can directly access a memory location of a variable. Pointer are used during dynamic memory allocation. Since in C we use calloc and malloc for dynamic memory allocation, and in both calloc and malloc we use pointers. Okay, pointers are used in call by reference. Pointers are used for passing and returning argument during functions call. During functions call we can use pointer as an argument. Okay, pointer provide effective way of implementing various data structures such as trees, graph, linked list, etc. In linked list we know that linked list is a collection of nodes, okay, and each node has two part. One is data part and next is pointer part, and the pointer part point to next node. Therefore, in linked list we use pointers. We use pointers, and pointer are used to pointing to the next node of the linked list. Similarly, in case of tree and graph, we also use pointers. Pointers are used in program for increasing processing speed. Since pointer can directly access the memory location, so compiler need not to do any calculation for calculating the memory location. This makes our program fast, because if we are using pointers, we are making less calculations, okay, and that is why pointers are used in program for increasing the processing speed, okay. Thank you.